So hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Rafdom over here, and for today's video guys, it's going to be more different and more going to be announced for you. Because guys, it's actually didn't really go well for me to make this Minecraft series one more time. But yes, I'm doing my next episode of Minecraft series, which is Firzone into the Blockverse episode 6, but this time it's different. You know why? Because I want to say this from the very beginning from episode 5, but I didn't say it because I was just planning on it. And now I'm really going to do it to you guys because I'm not going to do what I did on first episode to fifth episode. You know what does it mean? Well, I don't know if you guys watched the first episode and I said it there. I don't remember there. But the first episode to fifth episode, which is the 5 episodes of Fires Under the Blockverse, is I did the version of Minecraft 1.19.2. Yes, it's old version. Before it's 1.20 and recently is 1.21.11 like those. And yes, it's old. You know why? Because I have a very difficult time on experimental stuff from getting my world shut down. And when it happens on the first episode to second episode, I was actually having fun on 1.20, but then my world got shut down and I got to redo it on 1.19.2 because I have a shut up experimental settings, which is didn't cause about anything problems from third episode to fifth episode. But at the time of that comes, it's literally on November, October to December length time that I did that. And from the episode 5, December na yun, or November if I remember correctly, I did the fifth episode that I posted the new name of the series, which is the First into the Blockverse, and I posted it for the last time on using 1.19.2 with total about 64 to 68 mods, and I'm using Forge. Now, when it's time on the Christmas day, December 24 to 25, because that's how we celebrate Christmas in the Philippines, or Christmas Eve, that's what they call it in other country. My dad gifted me a brand new PC, which is I'm going to put the picture over here, right here besides on where the white bookshelf here, and a brand new monitor. And the monitor is curved 32-inch. My PC is literally a brand new one, and I literally backed up everything that I needed from the world I use from 1.19.2 and other worlds that we use on making the other series that with my friends, which is Fire Zone, if I remember. Fire Zone the series. But recently when I got the brand new PC, I'm literally trying to back up everything up, fixing everything stuff and other stuff that I needed for the new series. For Farzone into the Blockverse, I literally have a quite problem on doing it because I was trying to back up every single thing on the mods and other stuff in the world. Yes, I back up everything, but when I try to upload it from the T launcher itself, it's having a bit problem and I have a huge problem on doing it again. I will overdo it again and again and again and again and again until I didn't do it. Now, I was talking to my friends, of course, not other than Vives, because Vives is my other friend that is like now an assistant for me from head on YouTube channel of this as well. So me and Vives were having a talk while we're playing games of Roblox that I recently posted on this YouTube channel. So hope you guys watch that. So yeah, when we have a talk about the series I'm having, I said to Vivers that I'm going to make a brand new world, a brand new style, but I'm not gonna make a brand new series. I'm still using Farzone into the Blockverse. But I want to say this from episode 6, which is today, that this will be a brand new world, a brand new style, and a brand new stuff that we're going to do. Because I told him that, because I know I said, because again, why? Well, I'm literally tired on using Forge. That's why. I don't want to use complex mods. I don't want to use other mods that I didn't need from this series. I was just having fun using mods when it was on 1.19.2. But now when I discover Fabric and I discover what other mods that I needed, to be honest, on 1.19.2 that I cannot download since Fabric and Forge are not really compatible together, I said to Vives that I'm going to make brand new style and brand new world, which is using Fabric this time. With installing more, not literally more mods, but literally install mods that will be enhanced Minecraft. Not adding more items, but enhanced Minecraft. Like adding more stuff in Minecraft, not for the items, but the specs and the resources and other stuff that you needed in Minecraft for to have it as Fabric but vanilla style. And I downloaded more resource packs to do this as well. So I did countless of research and countless of doing mods, testings, and other stuff. And now I completed it with making a brand new world and a brand new style for Fires into the Blackverse. So yes, and the total of the mods I'm using is about 26 to 27 mods. For the resource pack, I use about 10 to 12 resource packs. I know that's a lot, but it's not quite a lot for me comparing to the old version who has 64 to 68 mods in Forge. So yes, I changed everything. And now this is going to be the big reset for, let's just say, Fires and Little Blackverse series. It's another big reset for this series. I actually started in this on this world from like 2 to 3 days ago to have a head start on doing mining, house, grinding some food, and to make some items or materials as well for to make my mega project. And yes, you heard it. I'm gonna make a mega project in this world on 1.21.11. That's the new world or new version I'm using with tons and tons of mods and resource packs. But this time it's not going to be all the items will be needed, but it's going to be enhancing Minecraft for the style of vanilla. I add a brand new mod which is an animation for to make my Minecraft smooth and much more playable that I like to have more animations in my game. So yes, I literally build a house, make a food farm, and had some irons and coppers to have started on my swords, tools, and armor. And now I actually had the best time on using the brand new items from 1.21.11, seeing baby mobs and trying all copper golems, and the effects of that has been added, which is I forgot the name, the fireflies and the tree leaves that has been falling like cherry blossoms. Now this is going to be the episode 6 of Into the Blockverse, a brand new reset. It's going to be the title. A brand new reset and a brand new change for this world. Without glasses for some reason because I haven't get some sands. I have some furnace with coals and I have iron and copper and emeralds because I invade the village. And as you can see, there's some fireflies particles if I'm correctly because I added some leaves if I have an extra. Where is it? This one, firefly bush. I added them in the nearby on the house. It's underground. And I added some tree leaves, leaf litter pala, tawag nila dyan. Leaf litter, and I have a crop that is been growing, wheat farm, pumpkins. I don't have melon seeds yet, so I'm gonna adventure for those later on. And yeah, so far so good naman yung mga nangyayari dito naman. And I actually have a sugarcane farm over here. Oh yeah, I have a journey map, so as you can see, This is where the sugarcane farm is. Let's make a waypoint over here. Right, waypoint sugarcane farm. Save natin. That's a sugarcane farm. And this is the house. I forgot to waypoint. I should go jumpy, 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 jump. I should waypoint over here. So that's me. Let me waypoint. Let me waypoint. That's a new group. Where's the new waypoint? House. There we go. So we have a waypoint in the house in the sugarcane farm. Let's go to the sugarcane farm. Let's teleport there. So this is my sugarcane farm. I have quite a few sugar canes. Oh my god, there are some zombies. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Zombie attack. Ow. Zombie attack. I'm actually the worst at PvP. Zombie. 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 Ow. But yeah. Zombie attack. Oh, there is some. Okay, that's a creeper. That's a freaking creeper. Ah! Oh, I know I attacked that creeper and I didn't expect I'm going to die so fast. No. Leave! These villagers are so annoying. The villagers are so annoying. Okay, at least I slept. I forgot to do that. So for now we're gonna get some sand to get some glass and mine some minerals and make a automatic farm for the upcoming new video. And yeah, the spiders look so disgusting. I hate spiders. They're cute, but I hate seeing them like that. No, 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 no. Let's get some sand, I guess. Let's do. Oh my days. Oh yeah, by the way, I have some fence so I can get some animals to breed them and to trap them inside until I get some stuff to keep them in one isolated place. That will be designed for me. I'm gonna decide what design. Basta design. It should be enough. Let's remove the death one. We don't need the death. Punta tayo sa house na lang. Let's go. And we have coal here so let's cook some sand. Ah, forgot to make some torches. But other than using coal, we want to use charcoal from wood. And what wood I'm gonna use? Birch. Because I don't have a quite idea on what using to be on birch. But yes, I'm going to use birch as for torch. Simple as that. But maybe I'll get some 4 pieces of coal to make torch for now. For the simple mining. But for now, yes, I'm going to mine. But I need to get the farm going. By that meaning, I need to make the farm. Which where will be the animals staying for now? Getting some cows, sheep, and pigs and chickens. Those are the primary animals that we need. The secondary animals will be needed later on. But yes, that's what I need to make this automatic farm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make this whole watch less bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Didn't have enough. Get some dirt. Dirty, 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 dirt. Oh my lord. Dirt, 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 dirt. I need to find the farmer. Farmer. There's actually none. Hey, let's see on our sugarcane farm. Well, hey. We can really Oh yeah, the area I'm staying is that one. I made this area for them to grow more. No, to grow more. Yes, yes, you heard it here. More. More. I actually have a design for my mega project. It's a mount or a copper, iron. There's some coal, but I will not get the coal for now. There's some iron over here. I didn't use my water bucket for some reason. I don't know why. There's some iron. Oh, there's a mine shaft. Oh, yes, use this. Ah! I'm bad at water MLG. Anong area tuloy nun? Ito yun malamang. Let's teleport. Yep, it's this one. There's a trial chamber in my journey map. There's oh my god, this journey map is too big. You know what? Let's delete this and make a new waypoint. Mine. Let's get a mole. Getting some copper iron, copper ore. Why would I say iron again? There's some coal, but let's get them later. Because we need some iron. We need more iron. Especially diamonds. We need diamonds to upgrade our weapon. There's so much. Ang daming copper dun. Why would I say copper? Ang daming iron. There's some dips today, but I will go there later. Only one coal. Let's get some cobblestone. 4 blocks. Oh, for some reason, there's some iron nearby. I didn't know there's some iron. There's some redstone. I need redstone to make automatic farm. I can make 1, 2. Mine, 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 mine. There's another zombie. Let's go to this lake mining. Let's get all this wires later. Let's do this mine shop. And there's mine shop. I use it. Let's see what is it inside. So this. I don't know if this is the end or this. But yeah, if you're wondering why my bike is so bright, I installed Razer button that has a full bright mode. And I think everybody knows that. That's why I'm using it. First, it's not a night vision. It's a resource. This is the age type. This lemon. So I think get it going when you do that. No, nakasabi lang. Nakasabi lang. Kasi need to go first. Sounding from the edge from there. Ano ko sort? Just my point here. Mine siya. Puntay sa house muna. Magluto na tayo. Now, put them first. Organize them first. Forgot that. Let's put them outside first. Let's upgrade our weapon. Guys. Then axe. Let me ask you a question. Now pickaxe. We have enough for pickaxe. What do I missing? Boots? I have all of them because of invading village. So I need 4 more iron to make boots. 1 water. I need more. Okay. And oh yeah, I need some shield for protection. I don't have enough wood. Let's do it later. Let's go back to Minecraft. Minecraft. Remove the fence. Found it. Bling. Oh, there's some rails. That's cool. Let's break this. There's some rails, but we don't need a lot. We need some. Wait, open up. Yes. Getting iron over here. And more training. get the idea. I guess let's go here. Woo! Iron, baby. That's what I like. Iron. Let's not go here first. Let's go here. Straight ahead. There's more on this one is dead end. This side has iron. Let's get them all. Oh yeah. Let's just explore this side first before going to the up. Bam 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 bam. Books, 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 books. Make fight. Let's put all our stuff that has been collected. Yes, it's pretty successful for me, if I say so myself. And I'm gonna collect some more materials to make this area much more lovely. And of course, breed more animals, get materials to make my first automatic farm, which will be starting on episode 7 or 8. And maybe I'm gonna have to make a village on episode 9 as well. Anyways, that's all about this video. That you see, I collect animals, weights to make some food resources. I mine to get some materials to upgrade my armor and my tools. And I collect a little bit of materials to make some other stuff that I needed. Where this episode 6 will be much more shorter than it is compared to my other episode. Or maybe because sorry, this episode 6 is just not planned out on what I'm going to do in Minecraft, but it's just going to be a episode 6 fresh, brand new restart again on this series. I hope you guys really like the big change that I made from this series and didn't hate me on doing it. And I really guys appreciated that you guys watch my Roblox series on playing every game in my spin the wheel, and every episode I'm going to post my Roblox on what we played on the specific video. So like I did on the 1 hour video, I'm gonna split that game by game for to have you guys to pick what game that you guys like and what games are interested. And some games will be much more introduced to you guys on us to play more. So that will be upcoming as well. So the Roblox video is going to be heavy for us to upload to you guys. For Minecraft, it's just simple but also heavy to you guys. For adventure, I'm just still making on the video that I had recently, and I'm gonna post it to you guys as well. So there's more videos that I have tambak-tambak, ibig sabihin piled up video editing. Guys, di ko kaya mag-video editing. Nasa hili lang ako. Kaya wag kayo mag-aasa na or don't you guys think that I'm not posting videos every single day. But the reason is this because I'm not only the video editor. So I'm the one who make the content. I'm the one who make the video editing. Like from other YouTubers from the start. So don't you guys expect that I'm going to post everyday video for you guys to watch. I'm gonna post some other time and some days that you might see. So That's why, and I don't want to make myself too rush because I have practice on my grade 10 graduation ceremony. So, yes, I'm grade 10 student from our school. And yes, I'm already finished on grade 10. We're just waiting for the practice to start, which is tomorrow until the other month will be end. And my grade 10 ceremony graduation will be begin on April. And yep, I'm finished junior high school. Now I'm going to head on senior high school. So that means I will be a senior high school student, and there's no school for now until when I'm going to be a grade 11 student. So me and my friends will post more videos on with us on Roblox, Minecraft, and other stuff that we're gonna do. That's all. And see you guys on episode 7 or other videos I'm gonna post. But see you guys on episode 7 of this Warzone into the Blockverse. See you guys there. Bye bye.